click on the link below to see price. ECOFLOW Delta 2 Portable Power Station. The ECOFLOW Delta 2 is a portable power station with a LiFePO4 battery, Bluetooth and WLAN capabilities, and an emergency power supply. If you've been looking for a new portable power station, the ECOFLOW Delta 2 is worth considering. The ECOFLOW Delta 2 is an advanced portable power station that provides fast, reliable power to your electronics. This portable power station has an industry-leading recharging speed and a 3 kWh expandable capacity. The Delta 2 also offers a long product life. Another great feature of the Delta 2 is its stability. This portable power station is equipped with a built-in management system that regulates the vitals of the device. It also has a built-in emergency power supply that can automatically switch to battery power if a blackout occurs. It is also possible to control the Delta 2 from your phone via the ECOFLOW app. This app lets you check the charge data and customize the product settings. You can also control the speed of charging. The ECOFLOW Delta 2 power station uses a LiFePO4 battery, which is 6 times more durable than the industry average. This type of battery can last up to 3,000 cycles, or 8 years, and is safer and more stable than competing options. Its power capacity is around 1800 W, making it an excellent choice for a backup power station. It can power up to 15 devices at once. It can also be expanded up to 25 kWh, and is compact enough to fit in your meter cupboard. It can reduce your dependence on the grid and save you money on energy bills. If you want to charge your Delta 2 quickly, you can use AC. You need to use a thick IEC power cable to connect it to an outlet. This cable is much thicker than the power cable that comes with your computer or laptop. Using a different one can damage the battery's electrical components. You can also use a heavy-duty extension cord to charge it. The new ECOFLOW Delta 2 power station has Bluetooth and WLAN and even its own app, making it an excellent companion for the modern commuter. The device pairs with Bluetooth devices in less than 10 seconds and can be connected to Wi-Fi networks by entering the appropriate WLAN password. The app also lets you monitor your current power consumption, battery life and remaining runtime for a current load. The Delta 2 supports up to 15 devices simultaneously. It can charge high-wattage devices like laptops and gaming consoles. It can also charge smaller electronics like tablets and routers. It also comes with Bluetooth and WLAN capabilities, which are very handy for recharging your devices in case of a power outage. The ECOFLOW Delta 2 also features a fancy display at the top, which lets you see the current charge level, power usage, and any problems. You can charge your devices via 4 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports. Additionally, there's a general on-off button. The ECOFLOW Delta 2 is equipped with an emergency power supply, EPS, which enables you to use your power station as a bridge between the mains and your appliances. If the power grid goes down, this feature will automatically switch to battery power to keep your appliances and equipment working. It is especially useful for emergencies, such as blackouts. This portable power supply is capable of powering up to 90% of your appliances. It is environmentally friendly and produces no pollution or noise. It can be used both inside and outside. You can charge it with the solar panels using compatible wall outlets or plug it into your carport. Click on the link below to see price.